Today we got a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Man Thought Yelling at the Police Was a Good Idea." Ends horribly.
On February 1st, 2023, police were called to a nightclub venue where a man started to cause a problem, and he had to be aggressively detained.
All right, sure. All right, come on. Hand up. Right now. You're in his finest. Get shot in the face. Just stop. Shut the up.
Just keep him on the ground and with them in the car and call for the wagon. So we're fighting with them in the car.
I'm not gonna fight. Send me the Joe's are to bond out.
729. Sorry. ID on him?
You got an ID on him at all?
No. Check. Stop. Just stop. You wanna someone go talk to the victim? Yeah. He's inside. Get out now! Stop. Shut the f up or shoot your ass right now!
Stop or you gonna get tased.
Okay, well I don't want to get tased. Yeah, so stop. Okay, yeah, that works. I know.
Look, all that hooting and hollering he doing, and now he talking about, all right, well, I don't want to get tased. Oh yeah, that attitude switched up, didn't it? Get your ass together. You better start acting right.
Talk to the victim? Yeah. He's inside. Get out now! Stop. Shut the f up or shoot your ass right now!
Stop or you gonna get tased.
Okay, well I don't want to get tased. Yeah, so stop. Okay, yeah, that works. I don't want to get tased. Get my coat.
Yeah, I bet it did work.
Okay, with this lady.
You wanna sit in the car with warmer?
15
Yeah. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Alright, man.
Alright, help me out so I can get up. Oh shit!
Got anything on you?
Yeah, I got like probably $800 on me.
$800?
Where's all my money at?
It's in your pocket.
Where's my coat at? I got money in my coat inside too.
What color is your coat?
It's it's a heavy coat. They got it. They got it inside. It's on the chair.
Do you have ID or anything on you, man?
Yeah, it's in my. It's either in my pants or in my.
Coat, maybe.
I need my phone, my coat, and my wallet.
I think you got your phone's in your back pocket. It's not bad.
Yeah, okay. You guys in here, sir?
Stuck in there. There's the wallet.
This is good.
Wallet.
You can also find it.
Them jeans look too tight.
Everything. I need my coat. Whatever's in my coat. All right, I'll find out once we get the Fury County.
Yep.
Well, that worked like a charm.
Remote control.
Instant. What the hell?
See you next time.
Thanks for being up here.
I'm just a rich bachelor. That's it. That's all you need to know. Florida. I live in Florida.
Where at Florida?
Doesn't matter. I ain't gonna tell you that.
My tape?
No.
I got a place down there. That's Florida.
Alright. I'm from Florida. You guys won't ever see me.
What's your address?
I'm not giving you that address.
Okay.
Good question, Mark. I'm from Florida. I tell you where I live at in Florida.
So is then.
That's what everyone.
Hey, what are we putting on here?
So he never actually like hit them or anything. So,
Okay.
So just release me and I'll go home.
Yeah, no.
no.
Then what are you gonna do? Because this thing arrests a misdemeanor? I'm from Florida, dude.
No,
I
you're
live
not.
in Florida. You're not gonna
Bro,
be
you
able
live in
to-
Creve Coeur. You're not from Florida.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I live in Florida.
No.
You're not gonna have anything on me.
Did you drive here, Danny?
Yeah.
Right. So where's your car at so I can impound it because you don't have a valid driver's license?
You better figure it out by yourself.
Okay. Well, I will. I got your keys.
Okay. There's gotta be a time yeah, so good luck to you.
I will impound your car since you just admitted that you
Or
drove
can
here. So that's fine.
try. You can try. Oh, you want to?
Hey, it's a public place, so it'd be ag assault.
What they do? What they think that?
I go to Florida.
Well, and he resisted too.
Okay.
So
Ag assault and resist. Hey, John. I'm gonna send him still.
Sure.
Okay. I'm good with that.
You go back to Florida land transfer me for our phone.
what's your badge? I forget.
1258.
Thanks.
Thank you.
For
Doing the booking.
oh gosh, was a little ways out. So
No, I don't think so.
Put me in the jail so I can find out.
Maybe.
what's up?
No, nothing.
What? No, what are you saying?
Nothing.
Oh,
It's not.
Your stuff's inside, supposedly, right?
his coat's right here. So drop someone in and grab it.
Alright, cool.
Alright. Which one's his car? Bro don't have a driver's license. He said he drove here, so we could probably tag his key into property and then make him come down and get it. Because if he binds out right now, he's way too drunk to be driving. So you could tag his key as personal property.
I hold drunk people for a while. It's up to you.
I'm just
Well, it's up to you. I've never done it. Most of the time they hold them, or like if they super drunk, being belligerent, they just kind of do it.
I'm just trying to.
Hop on out.
You're not gonna fight yourself, right?
You don't want to.
That's fine. Did you drive here?
He already knows to not answer that because I already caught him up on it.
Yeah, find my car, you'll find it. You ain't gonna find my car.
Sure, I'll take it.
I'm a rich bachelor. You guys ain't gonna find my car.
He was charged with aggravated assault and resisting arrest. Do you think he might have been on some type of substance because he really started to lose it?
I apologize, man. I don't watch these videos ahead of time. And this shit was boring as fuck. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I ain't got nothing to say for real. This was just yeah. Like, I see why this ain't hit. Let me see. Let's see. Like, let's see here. Crime on, right? Crime on body cam. Okay, 94,000 subscribers. You know, their views is okay, but this 1.1 is pretty bad for regular body cam footage. Like, regular body cam footage, not a reaction or anything like that, that's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. And I see why. Okay. So like I said, I apologize. Okay. I don't watch these videos ahead of time. This was a bad one. I ain't got nothing to say. The only interesting part to me was the part where they was about to tase him and all of a sudden he started to get his act together. But I don't know why that police department didn't release the footage prior to what we just saw, because all those cops had body cams on, or what, they wasn't recording or something. Like, why are we getting the footage that's just, he's already cuffed and everything. You miss everything. Everything is just, so something's not right with that, man. And I hope Crime on Body Cam did not pay for this body cam footage, because I would be pissed. For real. I would be pissed. That's bullshit. This is not all the body cam footage. But yeah, this is just horrible. I'm gonna give the I get officers, they did their job, but so I get them a 5. But as far as the body cam footage itself, this is ass. I ain't gonna, this is straight garbage. You hear me? The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.